What's up, everybody? Right. So today on this video, finish up what we started last time, but the only thing, as you see, there's no engine crane. As I was recording to show you all the stuff and everything and blah blah blah, I pressed the wrong button, so I didn't record anything. I was just talking to myself, I guess, for 15 minutes and more. I apologize to you guys, and I want to say for all the viewers watching and all the subscription I like from the last video and all the likes and the views, I appreciate you, all of you. For me, it means a lot. I didn't know it was gonna have that much of views and like compared to other my content. So I really much appreciate everybody that did. It was awesome. You guys put me a smile in my face in the less than 24 hours when I see all that. So as we say, we're just gonna continue. Put the headers on it. Buckle up the new distributor since I need to change it. Like I said last time, this one is pretty hacked up, pretty fucked up. So this one, at least the one I got, it's the OBD2A, especially for the 96 to 98. So, all right. So less talking, and we'll get it up. So, I'm gonna move a couple things around. I'm gonna show you what I did so far. I didn't show you. I was just talking. Here we go. So the engine's in finally. All the mounts are in. You know, as the last video I said, I didn't have issues with the mounts and everything. The bolt wouldn't go in and stuff like that. So I just changed the brackets on both in the rear and the front on the passenger side right there. So both I just changed them. Like I said, I was recording and I lost all the footage because I pressed the wrong button. So all right, so I can see everything's bolt on. This is bolt on. The engine doesn't move at all. So I still have to put the torque mount on that side. I put it on right there for now, just temporary, to see if my engine was level and everything. So yeah, so for now, let's put that up and let's finish up. All right, so there we go. So you're gonna see me around, go back and forth. Like I said, I have to go on the other engine, pull some stuff out from this one to this one, blah blah blah. So, all right. So now we'll put the torque mount on. Like I said, I always take it off before installing the engine because for me, it gave me a big headache, and that was a big mistake on my part. So. Alright, so that's done. So we'll put all the hoses around, gas line, all the vacuum and stuff around. So at least wrap that started. After we'll put the distributor on and the headers. So we may have another part, part 3 for the rest, like axle and all that shebang after. Since my guy's broken, I need to fix my tappers. I'm missing oil in it. So yeah. we already had one on the car, so I had to take the other one out that was on the engine previously. So at least it was more easy like that and try it on both from the firewall. It's mostly a fucking headache. So. I got it. Oh, there. I may delete that stuff later on. So, yeah. Alright. So, we got mostly everything hooked up. Only got the cruise control over there, but I may just delete that instead and then putting back in and all that stuff. Who needs cruise control, right? I don't need that. So, alright, we'll put the headers on. Right there. Wrong side. Alright. Put the headers on it. I'll go get the bolts. I'll be right back. I won't tie them up. Reason being, missing a few bolts. You know, when you got kids, they let them play with tools, but they play with the bolts too. So I need to find more bolts. But now we're just gonna take the distributor, chain the distributor on both sides, and that's it. Take the one on the engine right here first. Alright. One's on bolt. It's on bolt the other one. Huh. Broke off. At least we had another one. Look at the old one. I don't know, but those are good coils, but they're not for D series. See how big they are compared to stock ones. Or OBX 10.5. Yeah, 10.5 high performance wire. But the B series. I don't know, I'll put it on my other car when will be time for checking it. So, alright. So, here's the other one. See, OBD2A with the proper wires. See the difference? NGK, can't go wrong at all. That's the best thing for Hondas. Alright. Cam. Put the bolts on it. So, there you go, guys. I'll show you. So the distributor's on. See plugs right there. I need to unhook that one. Forgot to unhook that. Garbage. Put that one there. Boom. Alright. So we hook up the gas line. Hook up all the throttle cable right there. Fucking cruise control. That's gonna be out for sure. Now what I need is gonna be some grounds. There. Always make sure Honda needs 3 grounds all the time. And the thermostat housing right there. But it's already on and it's not broken, so that's a good thing. Yeah, so just far from this video, that's gonna be it for today. But on the next one, I got a couple things that gonna be installed on the car, not engine wise or mechanical wise. I mean like body parts. Finally find a couple things, so I'm gonna let you guys know on the next video. Peace out. Thank you a lot. Like and subscribe like you did. I really appreciate what you guys did on the last one. Keep it up. Thank you, means a lot to me. Peace out.